All of us were crying. We were praying. It was so scary.
We all thought we were going to die.
We just want to get back and whatever, but it's a lot. This is a lot. Really.
He said, "I'll kill you if you don't take off your clothes." I was giving up. I had no power over what was happening. There was no way I could escape or get help. I was sure I would die.
All of us were crying. We were praying. It was so scary. They told me that I was too skinny for them, so they put me in a hole and they poured sand on me.
They tried to bury her alive, but they were rushing and didn't cover her properly, and she was able to get out.
We just want justice for all the girls that went through this.
We want our bodies to be secured. We don't want to have to be scared just to go outside.